How to fix a frozen iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply give you some tips on how you can fix if your iPhone 14 is actually frozen. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your screen is not touching itself, you're not being able to conduct any activities, even if you press the power button and volume button to try to restart it, it will not show you slide to power off button or anything. Why does this happen? This happens when sometimes your application is glitchy or your software update could have been causing the bug, and in this case you have to most likely force restart your iPhone, because forced restarting will actually fix it. Now when you normally want to restart, right, you press this volume down buttons as well as power buttons together, and then you just go ahead and then slide this power to turn it off, right? But let's say that this is actually not happening with you. You're not being able to touch the screen at all. In that case, you have to force restart it. So to force restart it, you have two buttons on the left hand side, which is volume up and volume down, and then you have one button on the side which is the power button. To quickly actually restart it, you have to quickly press this volume down as well as volume up buttons. First press volume up, then press volume down, then you have to press and hold this power button until you see the Apple logo. So let me also go ahead and show you what I did. First of all, 1, 2 and then 3, and then keep on holding. Okay, so let me repeat that. Just it has to be very quick though. Just make sure to place it 1, 2, and then just press and hold this power buttons over here. If it doesn't work, just go ahead and then actually volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power buttons, and then see if that will actually restart your iPhone, and then it will take you to the power screen. And when it is going to automatically restart it, you should be able to definitely solve the problem. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then force restart your iPhone 14. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.